So students, as in earlier class we have discussed about displacement and distance. So today let us see the example. So here it's written, the distance traveled by a body can never be zero, but the displacement can be. So let us see by this example. It's written that a horse, question is, a horse grazing in a circular path of radius r, and it comes back to its starting point. So a horse is grazing grass in a circular path of radius r. Suppose it starts from point A, and then again after he completes his journey, he comes back to point A. Now what is the distance covered and what is the displacement? So obviously distance covered will be the perimeter. So that is 2 pi r, and displacement as it's coming back to its initial position again. So obviously it is 0. So now it's clear from this example that distance traveled by a body can never be 0, but the displacement can be, which we have seen from this example. I hope that this is clear, that we are the concept that we are getting from this example, that distance traveled and displacement are both different, while distance can never be 0, but displacement can obviously be. If the body comes back to its initial position, then the displacement is 0, but the distance traveled is not 0. So these things we should keep in mind, and I hope that you have got the concept which I have tried to explain in this example. Now let's see some other examples. Yeah. And I think before seeing some other example, let's move to next topic, because otherwise all the topics will not be covered. So let's see next topic. So now let's see uniform motion and non-uniform motion. A body has a uniform motion if it travels equal distances in equal interval of time. So it's written, uniform motion, a body has a uniform motion if it travels equal distances. So emphasis is on equal distances in equal interval of time. So distance will be equal, covered in equal span of time. So these two things we should keep in mind when we are talking about uniform motion. Now let's see the graph. So here see the graph. The chart is given of distance and time, that is time is in second and distance is in meter. So in 1 second it covers 5 meter, in 2 seconds it covers 10 meter, and 3 seconds it covers 15 meters. So there is a gap of 5, 5, 5. So this is every time 5 meter increment is there.